Let's go ahead and take a look at the PAC 62 Clean Waterway Service Project. Every town has a water drainage system that comes from and leads to a natural water source. This service project will help our scouts learn about keeping our environment clean by maintaining our waterways. It will also help to keep our waterways clean and work towards minimizing flooding. The scout actions that we will do: PAC 62 scouts will complete this service project with the following actions. Number 1, to learn about the town's water drainage system. Number 2, to adopt a waterway. And number 3, to maintain your waterway. The awards that our scouts can earn are the service project segment. If you participate in this service project, then we'll make sure that you get the service project segment for your red vest. This is also the service project that each scout will be working on for their belt loop. So this service project is what we'll do as a pack, but we'll be doing this individually for each scout in order to earn their belt loop for their rank advancement. And for our older scouts, we'll be working on the Water Conservation Award if you'd like. There's additional steps that you'll need to do for the Water Conservation Award, and we'll talk about that at the end of this slideshow. Okay, Scouts, so to complete your service project segment and also earn your belt loop for your rank advancement, this is what we need to do. Step number 1, to learn about your town's water drainage system. In your activity packet, you should have this page where you can learn about your town's water drainage system. So our pack, we have scouts from several different towns. So what we're doing is we're asking you to learn about your specific town's water drainage system. Where does it come from? Where does it go? What happens with harmful pollution? We want to make sure that we're not just doing a community service project, but we're learning about how this actually affects our specific town that we live in. So for each scout to earn their service project segment and also their belt loop, we'll need to make sure that we learn about your town's water drainage system by completing the questions that are in your activity packet. Step number 2 is to adopt a waterway. And so in your packet, you can use that space to identify the waterway that you're adopting. Basically, what we're asking you to do is to find a storm drain or some type of a drain that you will be maintaining. So you're going to go out to that drain and safely clear away any kind of leaves or any kind of other garbage. Make sure that you safely dispose of any garbage that's over there. Make sure that the water that's going into that drainage system is only water and it's clean water. So we'll go out there, we're going to adopt a drain waterway. And the last part of this is to maintain your waterway. So we're asking that you go out 3 times to go out and maintain your waterway, which means you go out to that waterway that you've adopted and you safely clear it. So make sure that there aren't any leaves in there are no sticks in there, there's no garbage going in there, or any kind of other hazardous things that are going in there. The important part about this is to make sure that you do this in a safe way. So never do anything that's going to possibly cause harm to yourself, but we want you to go out at least 3 times to perform your service project. For the adults, make sure that you log your service project hours with the QR code that's in the packet. So it's important that we not only write the dates down in the activity packet, but also make sure that you log your hours with the QR code that's in there. As long as you do that, and you can bring in your activity packet with everything filled out, then you will have earned your segment and also your belt loop for your requirement. So that's a really great thing that our lions, tigers, and wolves and bears, everyone can work on this service project, and that is part of your rank advancement. Now for our older scouts, we can take this a step further to earn our Cub Scout World Conservation Award. And this is actually a nationally recognized award that our older scouts can work towards. This actually goes on your scout uniform, and it also can go on the red vest. So to complete this, you'll need to clean the waterway service project and earn your DENS belt loop, and then continue that service project 2 more times for 6 months, making sure to keep track of your service hours with the QR code, and making sure to keep track of your service hours also in your progress chart that's in your activity packet. Okay, so Scouts, we have a couple different awards. Everyone has the opportunity to earn their service project segment. Everyone has the opportunity to do this as part of their belt loops for their service projects. As soon as you're done with this part of the belt loop, you should have completed all the other parts of your adventure. And then you can ask your adult partner to check off on your online form, sign in your book. And as soon as I receive all of those materials, which is this completed activity packet, the completed online form for your specific adventure, and also the signed book, then I'll be able to give you your belt loop at that time. And for our older scouts, you have the option to continue to work on this for 6 months in order to earn your Water Conservation Award. Okay, so Cub Scouts, this is a really great pack project that we can all do together. We all get to earn our belt loop, we all get to earn additional awards along with it, and more importantly, we get to make a really good, meaningful impact and really help out our community by keeping our waterways clean and safe. It helps our houses to not flood. It also helps the rest of the environment, the birds, the fish, the other animals that go to the waterways where all of these drainage pipes lead to. Okay, so Cub Scouts, I can't wait to see some pictures of going out cleaning your waterways. I can't wait to see the QR codes that are scanned and see where you're going to maintain your waterways. And I'm really excited to get started with this project. Okay, let me know if you have any questions about that.